Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the download option not showing in the Google Drive mobile app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is go ahead and check file permission. So if the file is shared with you, that owner or the owner might have disabled downloads. So what we need to do is find the file inside your Google Drive app and click on the three dots next to it. Now this is going to bring up more settings. Now if you don't see the download option, it's likely restricted. So the solution for this is ask the file owner to enable downloading and tell them to go to share settings and allow viewers to download. Now while you're in here, if the download is blocked, right, what we can do is make a copy. So tap on make a copy. So click on make a copy. Now the copy will appear in your drive. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my drive, choose a location, click select. So here it is here. Here's that copy. So from here, we can go ahead and we can open it or choose another app to save it locally if you want to do that. So you might be able to download it and then, yeah, or even move it. Now, another thing what we can try is to get out of the app and then go ahead and click on app cache. So click and hold down the app, get in the app info, scroll down, click on the storage and clear cache. And also make sure Google Drive is up to date. So click and hold on the drive, app info, scroll down, click on app details in store and go ahead and update Google Drive.